Hello dear friends and welcome to Learn Computer channel. You are most welcome. Our video will discuss a problem that when I download some programs or even run some games or some portable programs, I'll see a problem that prevents me from installing or running the program. Let's see an example. This is a portable program. I want to run it. Double click. See a dialog box titled Windows Features. An app on your PC needs the following Windows feature. Netfranework 3.5 includes Net 2 and 3. Okay, under this you will find download and install this feature. Windows will get the file that it needs from Windows updates and complete the installation. Okay. Now click to download. You see the following feature couldn't be installed. Netfranework 3.5 includes Net 2 and 3. The download has failed. How to solve this problem? You download the file from the link mentioned below. This file, unzip it. Extract here. This folder, I open it. Now there are two steps to solve this problem. Copy this file. Go to the C partition. And paste it. Continue. Okay. Close this. Open the folder again. And open the text file. Copy this. They are programming commands. Now from search, type cmd. From command prompt, right click, run as administrator. Now Ctrl+V from the keyboard to paste the commands. Then enter from the keyboard. Now you see enabling feature and this indicator. Be patient until this number reaches to 100%. As you see, it's increasing. It takes some time to reach to 100%. Now 92%. Okay. We reached 200% and the operation completed successfully. Okay. Now close. Let's run the program. We remember that the program couldn't be run because of this problem. Now to click to open. Oh, the problem was solved. As you see, program is opened now. Thank you very much.